Hi there, everyone. This is Trader FX here. The time now is 10:58 a.m. right on Wednesday, the 1st of April 2009. Let me just date stamp that here. I click on this hourly bar here. Notice over to the left-hand side. Alright, we notice here it's the 1st of April 2009, 10 o'clock in the morning. Right, so this particular hourly bar over here is a 10 o'clock bar. What we're looking at is we're looking at the Aussie US dollar pairing. Okay, and looking down here at this particular point in time, we've got volume which is lower than the last 24 hours. Okay, not much volume or activity coming in at this point in time. Right now we've got a down bar closing lower on low activity. Okay, so what I think we could potentially be seeing here is we still have potential movement to the upside here. Alright, unless that changes, alright, we're going to have to go exactly with what we've got here. We've got this low volume, we've got this down move. I think we want to be looking at buying the Aussie dollar at this particular point. Okay, getting close to the close of the bar. We actually want to take a buy at this point at the close. Alright, only got about 30 seconds to go before this trade. We're going to execute to the buy side. Okay, we're looking at trading two lots here. Okay, we want to see what the close is going to be at the close of this hour. Right, if I click on that bar there, right, the close of that bar, the close of there is 69.08. So I want to take a buy any lower 69.08 and 69.07. Alright, 4-point spread. Alright, we've got 69.11 there. Okay, right, so I want to take a trade right here at this point on the buy side of the Aussie. Okay, we want to place a stop 20 points above here. So that's going to be at 69.31. Okay, we don't know the stop yet, but I'll come back to that and fill that in. Okay, so save that trade there. Exit. Alright, we're in trade. We've got one trade in trade at the moment. Okay, we're $10 down. Right. So here's our trade here. What I want to do is, where's my stop placement going to be? Alright, one of the rules that you always want to contemplate is that you've got to keep your stops outside the range. Here's the lowest point over the last 24 hours. Right, if I look at the low here, right, to the left hand side, the low is 67.69, and if I look at the low there, at the same point. So I want my stop 5 points beneath that low. Right, keeping my stop outside the range where it's most likely to get targeted. Okay, so my stop point, my lowest stop point there is 67.69, 5 points lower, 67.64. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go into my trade station, right, and let me bring that up. Okay, get rid of my ticker here. Right, stop. Okay, excuse me. Just forgot what that low point was again. The low point was at 67.65. Right, that's where we want to have. Sorry, 67.64 is where we want the low. Let's go for that. Stop. Place the order. Execute. 67. Right, now I've got my trade in here. Here's my stop. Here's my limit. Alright. And now all I have to do is let the trade work. Okay. And see what happens over the next period. Alright, let me go to my spreadsheet. Alright, to the buy on the Aussie at 69. Profit target is 69.31. Alright, looking to make a 1.2% return on that trade if it makes it to my profit target here. Okay, let me set up where my profit target will be. Be at right. That is where my profit target is going to be at. Right, so I took a buy here at this position. Why did I look at a buy? I'm looking at the volume, right? We had low volume on a down bar. Okay, low volume on a down bar. Right. I don't think at this point in time, not at any other point, at this point in time, it is less likely the price to go lower. Right. I think we're getting we may see buyer pressure come back at this point, since we've seen a neglect of selling pressure come in. Right. Okay. What I'll do, guys, is I'll come back to you on this recording here when we see the fulfillment of this trade. Until then, take care. God bless you all, and I will see you then. Bye.